Hey guys, for this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable Facebook dark mode if it isn't working. This is a very simple solution, and I actually have two ways of fixing, just in case the other one doesn't work. The first thing you'll need to do is to open your Facebook app. Once you're here, tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now, scroll down until you find dark mode. Tap on it. As you can see, there is a switch in the dark mode option to turn it on. Just click on that and there you go. Now, if that doesn't work, try deleting your Facebook app and download it again. And do this solution like I told you. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.